we thought we'd show you some simple, fun crafts for a DIY Easter egg hunt. We've got these bunny and chick felt baskets and your own Easter egg sign. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make them. For this project you'll need a selection of felt, a selection of coloured card, a small cardboard box or something similar that's square, double-sided tape, craft glue, a brown pen, a white pom-pom, wooden skewers, fillable eggs, a glue gun, and of course lots of chocolate. To make the baskets, we're going to be using a small square cardboard box as a base to build the baskets around. Take 2 pieces of felt and stick them together along the long edge using double-sided tape. Place the felt centrally over the bottom of the box. Fold the corners in neatly, as if you were wrapping a present. Secure with double-sided tape. Then repeat for the other side. Remove the box. Trim to make the edges even and add a strip of tape around the top. Snip down each corner a little, then fold each of the sides in and press down. To make a handle, mark 7 cm in from the edge of the length of some felt and cut a strip. Add double-sided tape down the centre, then fold each edge neatly in. Glue the handles inside the baskets. Sketch out an ear shape onto card. Then glue onto a piece of felt. Fold and cut 2 ear shapes from the felt. Draw around the ear onto some pink felt and cut out another pair of ears that are about 1 cm smaller than the outline. Glue the inner ears onto the outer ears. For the faces, cut a white oval for a snout and a little brown nose. Cut a little orange triangle for a beak for the chick and some black eyes and rosy round pink cheeks. Once you're happy with the positioning, glue in place. Now to make some cute Easter signs for your Easter hunt. You can use the template provided to cut 6 sign shapes from coloured card. Then cut a bunny bottom, 2 ears, an arm, 2 hands and 2 feet from brown card. Cut 2 white inner ears, 2 paws and 6 toes. Cut 1 orange carrot and a green carrot top. Glue the inner ears onto the outer ears, the white paws and toes onto the feet, and the carrot top onto the carrot. Fold the arm where indicated on the template. Add some glue and glue it around the carrot like this. Glue the bunny ears onto the back of one of the signs and add the paws to the front. On another sign, glue on the bunny bottom and the little feet. Then add a little pom-pom tail. And on the last sign, glue the arm with the carrot onto the back. Add a little detail with pen to finish. Glue a skewer into the centre of each sign and sandwich them together in pairs. Finally, add some text to your signs to give clues as to the whereabouts of the eggs. Fill the eggs with treats. The good thing about these fillable eggs is that you can match them to the baskets. So you can ask the child that's got the chick basket to only hunt for chick eggs, and this makes the hunt much more fair. If you like this content, give our video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel. And if you want some more Easter ideas, there are loads more over on the Ideas Hub. Thanks so much for watching.